In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and print my own labels from home Canva. We're going to keep this simple, clear, and ready for great results on a home printer. First, open Canva. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Type in the exact width and height of your label, for example, 2 by 1 inches. Make sure the units are set to inches, so your design matches the physical label size. If your label is horizontal, keep the larger number as the width. If it's vertical, swap them. Getting the size right at the start saves a lot of frustration later. Next, set up helpful guidelines so your label prints cleanly. Go to File, then View Settings and turn on Show Margins. These margins define a safe area. Keep text and important graphics inside them so nothing gets cut off. While you are still in View Settings, turn on Show Print Bleed. The bleed extends your background color or image slightly past the trim edge, which prevents a thin white halo from appearing when the label is cut. If you see a colored edge appear, that's a good sign the bleed is working. Now it's time to customize. Use Canvas elements to add shapes or icons. Upload your logo and add text for names, ingredients, or addresses. Keep fonts legible and high contrast for small sizes. Align items visually so they feel balanced and leave a little breathing room around the edges. When your layout feels right, select everything and group the elements. Grouping lets you move and resize the whole label as a single unit, which helps maintain spacing and alignment if you make adjustments. When you are ready to save, click Share in the top right and select Download. Choose PDF print as the file type for the best quality and sharp text. Check the box to flatten PDF, so all elements and effects are preserved accurately during printing, especially if you use transparent overlays or special fonts. If you have Canva Pro, switch the color mode to CMYK for more predictable print colors. If not, RGB still works well for most home printers. Just know colors may appear slightly brighter on screen than on paper. That's it. Thanks for watching.